Hi, welcome everybody. So yes, 1 week gone already, and it's time for a new video. And as you could have seen from the past 2 weeks, I was talking basically just about me moving to England and so on. But I'm gonna just take a little break from that. I'll still talk about it some more. I think in the next video I'm gonna probably talk about the pros and cons of living in London, because so far I can definitely see some that I want to share with y'all. But I kind of just want to take a break because I definitely wanted to do this video for a little bit, because when I was here,
you nasty.
burping again. From the last video till now, it's been a week. I'm still a burp. Anyway, yeah, so I really wanted to do this video because I realized that my friend that I'm staying with, he likes to buy these patties, these Port Rotal patties, and I'm like, I wanted to try one. I always see it in the fridge, but I wanted to save it for this specific video. So I wanted to catch my reaction on camera, just to see how them taste. Him seems to like them, so I'm like, is it that him like them, or it's just like something is just close to home, and it's like I either this or nothing, so might as well. So yeah, for this video I'm going to be trying patties that are made here in the UK, specifically by the brand called Port Rotal. Now I'm not sure if this brand is made anywhere else. I think this is the first time I've ever seen this brand ever in my life. I went to the US. In the US I don't really see Port Royal either. I used to see just juicy patties, and they used to have some random flavors of patties that we wouldn't have in Jamaica. But yeah, over here it's a lot of Port Royal patties. So far, them don't really look. Obviously, they're not gonna look like patty. Them look like more like pie or like empanada or something like so. Like
I don't like
a
that.
meat pocket, something like that. But hopefully, the flavor can compensate where the looks probably can't. So yeah, I'm going to just heat up one, eat it real quick, and just react and review it a little bit, So it's just gonna be a short little sweet video. Before I go on though, do not forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Just leave a little subscribe. That's all I'm asking. Spare subscribe, sir. Spare a subscribe, and leave a like as well. And if you want to see anything else from this channel, if you want me to talk about anything else, drop it down in the comments as well. That's how I keep this channel going. If you want to see something maybe make or don't want to see, so don't have me out here making things that I don't want to see, and then don't watch them and so on. Tell me what I want to see so I can make it for Uno. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment, and also share it around to other people. Alright, so I think I'm gonna just save actually making the patty or preparing the patty for tomorrow, because it's kind of late right now. So I think I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. But yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. So this is it. Gonna pop it in the oven, and then we're gonna have it. I've got to open it with two hands. So sadly, it kind of broke up, so I can't put it in the toaster. So honestly, I'm just gonna put it in the microwave. Alright, so it's in there. Selfie. Alright, so it's breaking up a little bit, so it might not hold up, honestly, but I'll just take a piece and try. So here I'm with it. Gonna have a bite and tell you how it tastes.
No. Well.
It's not bad. It's not bad, but obviously the texture, it's not like crispy, it's soft. Maybe because I microwave it and never put it in the oven, but also it's frozen, so most likely it'll come out soft. But the meat tastes weird and different. I don't know why, but I mean, not bad. I guess it's a Jamaican brand, so it can't really taste too bad, Honestly, all in all, it's pretty fine. If you want something that's kind of patty-ish, and you just, you want, like them cook it there, like need just like a little fix. Yeah, so if you're just from from Jamaica and you haven't had a patty in a little while, this is a good little fix just for kind of it's not juicy patty, it's not tasty, definitely not tasty. So and I can't go on. It's not bad. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I think this would have been a better angle for me to like show this, but like then would have to crouch down, so but, I'm saying it's not too bad. So if you're Jamaican in the UK, at least I don't know if they sell this in America. If you're a Jamaican in the UK, you can get yourself a little Port Rotal patty just to hold it over a little bit until the family come with a box of juicy patty. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, that was the tasting and the trying of the Port Rotal patties. Yeah, as what he said, because right now it's still yesterday. So I tried that tomorrow, which is today, which is actually in the past for no, but anyway, yeah, that's the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Come back next week. I think I'm definitely gonna try and do the do's and the don'ts, the pros and the cons of living in London. I'm gonna try and get some together for yeah, and also if you want to see more vlogs and so on, I'm trying to work on some vlogs for y'all. Yeah, I'm literally just kind of getting into a routine of making content again, which I'm excited about, honestly. So yeah, trying to get into the routine, which is why I'm big enough to just kind of comment and tell me what I want to see, so I can know how to strategize for Uno. But yeah, as I said, thank you for watching, thank you for coming this week, and I hope to see you next week again. Bye.